How to build websites or games with Div-idy using plain language prompts. In this 2025 tutorial, I will walk you through how it works, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to the Div-idy platform in your browser and create a free account. Step 2. Select whether you want to build a website, app, or game, and then press Create New Project. So in this example, we will use a puzzle game. So tap Create New Project. Step 3, in the prompt box, type something like build a simple puzzle game and then click Generate. Step 4, DVD will now generate a working draft and you can use the editor tools to tweak your colors, layouts, or features in your game. Step 5, when you are done, publish directly through Div-idy or export the code to host it yourself. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.